Hi everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good day, anywhere you are in the world listening to this. I'm Hefziba Igwe. I'm the CEO and founder of Hanalyzer. Every organization has the same problem. You've got the data, you've got the CSVs, you've got the spreadsheets, you've got the PDFs, you've got a warehouse full of data, and nobody touches it. What you don't have is someone that can take all of that and turn it into answers very fast. And that's one of the reasons why we built Hanalyzer. And here is what it looks like today in real world. You export a CSV or you have a CSV, you send it over to your analyst or you wait for an analyst. You get a chart back 3 days later that raises even more questions than answers that you want. Or maybe you spend a week learning Python or SQL just to run like a basic regression. And we kept seeing this pattern happen over and over and over again. Smart people drowning in data backed by tools by that's they keep duct taping, like imagine adding Python with Tableau and Power BI and all of that, duct taping all of that. And all of these tools are either too simple or very technical. And we thought, okay, what if every person in every organization or in every space could actually be as good as their best data analyst? Yes, without actually needing one. And so Analyzer is a universal file, intelligence platform. You drop in a file. So think about CSV, Word documents, Excel, PDF, JSON, SQL dump, whatever, right? And within seconds, you get the full analysis. So you have key insights, interactive charts, an executive summary. You can even share it with your CEO right at that same moment. But that is just the starting point. So under the hood, we've built a full data intelligence, or would I say a full data science workbench. We have a query builder that speaks, 9 SQL dialects. We have a data blender for like merging and transforming your data sets. We have a full ETL pipeline. We have joins and unions and fuzzy matching. We have a file comparison tool that can compare your files and can help you resolve the differences within the user interface. We also have scenario simulations like your what ifs. With Monte Carlo modeling, you can schedule your reports based on the frequency that you want, if it's daily, monthly, weekly, whatever. You also have the shareable dashboard, so you can share it to your public workspace, to your colleagues, however you want to share it. You don't even need to create an account to see the shareable link. And this is the part that surprises people, a differentiator. So we run 17 machine learning algorithms directly in your browser. Think about the k-means clustering, the random forest, the PCA, the logistic regression, the ARIMA time series, even the LSTM neural networks. No Python, no Jupyter, no GPU, no data is leaving your machine. Everything runs client side in pure TypeScript and in TensorFlow JS. So that means that your data stays with you. We don't strain on your files. We don't store what we don't need to store. And for teams in healthcare, finance, and even legal, that's not a nice to have. It's actually a requirement. On the AI side of things, we route across 6 frontier models: GPT, Cloud, Gemini, automatically picking the best model based on costs, based on speed, accuracy, and reliability. You also get Hana. Hana is our agent that can read your files. You can have conversations with it. You can run calculations. You can have it draft reports for you conversationally. Actually, you can even have it edit your existing reports. We build this for every analyst who is tired of duct taping tools together. For the data scientist who needs to, prototype very fast, we build it for you. For the business leader who wants to understand what's happening to, their data without actually waiting for several days to a week, we build it for you. For the parents, for the students, for the researcher, we build it for you. For enterprise teams, we've got the white label branding. So we have the SSO, HIPAA, the GDPR compliance, the immutable audit trails, even the project management workspace with Kanban boards and also a Gantt chart or Gantt chart built directly in there. One platform. And the project management workspace is something I forgot to mention. It's also available to pro users, meaning that once you visualize your data and you run your analysis, you can easily just click on it to create new stories for you, new epics for you, or even put it in your backlogs. You can pretty much create it. So it's not only available to enterprise teams, and that is pretty cool because once you have the insights, you can just automatically have it created. You don't have to start writing things down, putting it in your notes, taking it to your Jira or to your ADO or whatever external tool you have. It's one platform from one person startup to a 50-country organization. Our free tier gives you 5 uploads a month, enough to see what Hanalyzer can do. Pro starts from $99 a month. Actually, if you do the 1 year annual enrollment, you can save up to $240 a year, and you also get unlimited of pretty much everything: uploads, comparisons, all of the data connectors, which I forgot to talk about. You don't just upload your file, you can connect your different data. You also have your machine learning lab. You have the full agents, the API access. We are building the platform we wish existed. One where speed doesn't actually compromise depth, where enterprise grade doesn't mean enterprise complicated, and where your data actually works for you, gives you insights. So I urge you today, try Hanalyzer, drop in the file, connect the file, see what happens. Hanalyzer is the file intelligence platform, analysis in seconds and not in hours. Thank you for watching.